Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred while loading the PDF in Chrome. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Studio PDF Viewer reinitialization. Open your Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Site Settings. Scroll down to Additional Content Settings and ensure that PDF Documents is set to Open PDFs in Chrome for the latest session. It technicality ensures your studio environment is utilizing the latest high-end data tunnels to render professional documents without amateur quality interruptions. Next, initialize the Technical Studio browser cache purification. Open Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check the box for cached images and files, and ensure the time range is set to All Time for the latest professional purge. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end PDF manifests are technicality open and free from expired authentication markers. Next, execute high-end system extension audit. Navigate to Chrome, Extensions and Technicality, toggle off any high-end PDF readers or third-party professional download managers. Relaunch Chrome to Technicality, initialize the native rendering path for the latest session. It removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest high-end document sessions. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.